Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable surveys on Booking.com account. So first we're going to go to the Booking.com app. You guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then once you guys are here, we're going to scroll downwards until we find communication preferences. Then you're going to click on it. Then again, we're going to click on push notifications. So we're going to scroll downwards under trip related push notifications. We'll find the surveys option. It's turned on, so we're going to turn it off. So any surveys related to future travel experiences won't be sent to your account. We also have a video on how to enable it, so make sure you check it out. As I told you, we have different videos in our how tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.